Okay.
So good afternoon everyone, we are here at the second games of the first leg. It's opposing Buc against Ghent, and it will be a very interesting game because it's already teams that were in the top of last year semi-finals. So it will be very interesting. I'm here from Inès from Liège together with Michel.
Hello everyone.
And Audrey.
Bonjour à tous.
And we'll be commenting the game today for you.
If you can hear out that we are out of breath, it's just because we just finished our first game. So
wow, the first 10 seconds and Buc already scored a first try.
Which is accepted
now? No,
No,
has been.
Okay.
So it started in a very intense way.
33. Okay. Playing number 5.
The wing is free.
Yes, it's in.
I think
yes.
maybe.
No?
No, I think it counts as forward.
Okay, they're repositioning. They're going to play with the mid now. Passing go. No touch. Oh, well executed. Yes, again to the wing. And it's touch. Touch made. Well done from Ghent. With defending very well on their wing. And now they're back at it.
Ball is with Genk now. They are replacing all their players.
The sub, they're already at the touch number 3 or 4. They're already passing the half field. Yes. They're accelerating a bit. Number 6 now.
The ball is back with Buc.
And okay, switching now. No. Okay, 6 more then.
1. Second touch.
Okay, they need to find their pace. Okay, oh, yeah, touchment before, but that was very well done. Oh, it's
first try of the game.
Okay, number 6. Well done, Ghent.
C'est aussi le premier jeu de la saison, donc il faut que chaque équipe se remette dans le bain. Hop, Buc a récupéré le ballon. Ils avancent. Ouais. Voilà, bien exécuté de Buc. Oui, et c'est un essai pour le Buc. 1-1. Donc voilà, le Ghent va reprendre le ballon, réengager pour l'action suivante. Premier touché. Deuxième. 3. 4. Revient à la marque. 5, dernier. Ouh, on a...
Arno, meer dreigen!
La balle est toujours avec Ghent. Récupération du Buc. Premier touché. Deuxième.
Ça joue vite.
3.
Et troisième déjà mi-terrain. Ça accélère. Ouais, personne. Ouf.
4,
Ouais, ils sont bien placés, ouais.
5, scoop.
Ça exécute très vite, ça petit scoop et ça passe. Oh, dommage.
Dommage, bien
Légèrement.
défendu de Ghent. On a l'impression que c'est touché dans leur
Ouais.
but, oui. Pardon. Délicieux gâteau de Michel.
Si vous cherchez le gâteau, c'est Mimi Pâtisserie du côté de Liège. Les commandes se font le samedi avant midi. Et commandez bien 2 semaines à l'avance.
Oh, bien joué.
Ouais, bien joué.
6 touchés pour Ghent, donc Buc récupère le ballon.
Ok, une petite passe, ouais. Ça repart. Et voilà, nouvel essai. Je crois
Pour le
que-
Buc.
C'est
Ouais.
quoi 3-2 3-1
Je sais plus. Merci.
Ok, c'est reparti. Here we go. Again for the move.
Ah.
Executing very well.
Second. Ah,
Ok. Over the mark.
maybe over the mark.
Ok, 6 more now. Oh,
Well done from Buc.
accelerating. Wow.
Wow.
Okay, now.
First touch. Second. Third is coming. Yeah.
Pace
Ouais.
is just crazy.
Well
Pass.
executed. Yeah. Third.
Oof.
Ah.
They need to calm down a bit there. It's getting touchy. Wow.
Ouais. Well done.
Easy, well done.
So another try for Buc.
Ok. Et nous y revoilà avec gants. Un, premier. Bien touché. Deux,
Second.
Bien pris.
Oh,
Ooh, no touch.
no touch. Yeah, unfortunately. So ball is back with Buc. They
Wow.
directly engage. Yeah,
Um,
first touch. Second
This
is
is really crazy.
no. Second is coming. Yeah, second is there.
Oof.
Wow.
Wow.
Off the.
This
Whoa.
is really, really.
We can
really
see that
quick.
these people are young, and they will run fast.
Okay, wow. They're already at the line and they feel comfortable.
Ball is really traveling from one person to another.
33.
And-
Wow. Oof. Touch.
Yeah.
No touch. Huh? It's dry.
Try. Yes.
Yes.
Well done. Bravo to Buc.
Again, we're waiting for the response from Ghent now.
Yeah. So the ball is back with Ghent.
Oh, so
That's a pity. Forward pass. I mean, yeah, missing the ball. So it's back with Buc.
Big
First
on the
touch.
ball already, and they're accelerating again.
Second is
Bam.
coming. Yeah, second is there.
And they're moving up. Yeah, there is nobody on the line. Yes.
Third
Accelerating again. They're already at
and
the 7.
fourth.
It's a 33.
Wow.
Oh, and it's right.
Yeah, they are really quick when they execute the. Ooh,
What
Oula.
happened? Yeah, yeah, that's not cool.
I don't think it was.
No, it was
Foreseen,
supposed to do,
yeah.
but,
T'as vu que. Oh, ils ont. Bon, alors on est à Soigny Et les écrans publicitaires sont carrément animés.
Mais à ce qui paraît, ce sera peut-être le...
On est à un autre niveau.
Oui.
Un autre niveau de...
Ouais, t'es voir... je sais pas. Un peu des 1000, je pense.
Yeah, so the ball is back with Ghent. They are in the 7th of Buc.
They're already in the 7, yes. Oh, there. Okay, it's a 32. Yes. Oh, no.
I think miss his pass.
That's too bad. It was well executed anyway. And
So-
now Buc.
Ball is back with Buc.
Okay, they're subbing. Very.
First,
Okay.
second,
Wow, it's really fast.
third.
Third. And they're swinging now. Oh wow.
Yes,
Wow.
well done.
Wow, excellent.
They take the large. Of the
I think Buc looks like a bit to Liège in a certain way of playing. I recognize Liège play here.
It was pity for the wing, but it was well
It was a
executed.
long pass, but
Yeah, ball is back with the Ghent. They come with on the sub line,
they're really.
subbing everyone.
And now they accelerating.
There are
yes.
4 girls on the pitch. 5 girls even on the pitch. Only 1 man.
No.
Bah si.
Yes. Yeah, they can.
Yeah, they can, of course, but it's just
Yes.
interesting. There's
Wow.
many girls in their team actually.
Yeah, they are
in Ghent.
already. Actually, they're only 5 boys, 5 men for 7 girls.
Wow, congratulations, that's
You can
nice.
switch with Liège if you want.
We are missing a bit of girls. Ah! Missed the ball. All right. So 5 women, 1 man in Ghent's team on the pitch now.
Okay. Yeah.
Second touch of Buc against Buc.
You can feel that Buc is a very young team. Wow, accelerating, right? Touch made.
Well done by Ghent. A good touch
And they're back. Yeah, touch made.
again.
Oh, scoop. Very nice scoop.
The-
Oh, wow. Okay.
Very good defense from Ghent.
He really dying for that touch. Okay, touch made. Wow. Yeah, good sub. Nicely executed.
So now,
Too bad.
so apparently
Okay.
Ghent
right.
went outside when they ran with the ball. You could not see it from here, but we missed it, I guess. So ball is back with Buc,
Wow, good.
attacking
Fast
quite
enough
fast.
for Buc.
Yeah, already at their 7 meters
Yeah,
line.
touch made. Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Ooh,
Wow.
well-
Wow. It's
wow.
really, wow. Good dive.
Well, very good. Ah no, it's not a try.
Oh, yeah. From here it was really nicely executed anyway.
Ooh, miscommunication between Buc's player. Okay, ball is back with Ghent. That has
Okay, 2 boys on the pitch
again
now.
2 boys. Oh man,
Too shame.
missed the ball. It's
Too
all
bad.
right. Ball is back with Buc.
Wow.
Ouais.
Too bad.
Unfortunately, yeah. Beautiful game.
La vitesse d'exécution sur le Buc est vraiment impressionnante, je trouve. Ça joue super bien, super fluide. Ouais, dommage pour la passe.
Ouais. Ils n'ont pas peur de courir, de prendre les intervalles.
Et Gent suit assez bien, je trouve. Malgré là ici le rapport entre homme-femme qui est différent. C'est bien.
Oui, c'est très impressionnant de Gand aussi parce qu'ils ont beaucoup de femmes dans leur équipe.
Ouais,
et ils courent.
Ouais, bien vu.
Vraiment bien. 2 hommes sur le terrain, encore 4 femmes.
Il lâche rien. On va chercher bien. Ouais. Ouais. Gent s'organise itself.
Ouais. Fortunately.
He could have
I
tried
think
a long
it was
pass,
the
huh?
last touch. Yeah, last touch. So now it's back with Buc. Yeah, for
Ines, if you want, there's still some cake left. Hein?
merci. Putain, il y a du chocolat fondu. Miam.
Ouais. Okay. Well, good defense from Gent. Oh yeah, a touch made. Yeah, well done, Gent.
Defense, yeah, very good defense.
Yes. Yeah. 6
And
more,
it was the last touch. So
well done, Gent.
I think, Gent. So there is one man who always defend, and there is a woman that always attacked. I think, if I'm not mistaken.
And their sub is really clean as well.
Hop. Tu dis ça juste au moment où il y a un petit souci. Mais sinon, d'habitude, ils sont très clean, c'est vrai. Non, je suis d'accord. Waouh, beau scoop. Aïe. Non, Robin.
Jasper. Yeah, sorry. Well done, Robin. Oh, yeah. Yeah,
belle
good.
Belle défense. Wow.
Ah, dommage.
C'est le 9. Ouais.
Ah.
Voilà. Bel essai du Buc.
70 minutes, okay. 3 minutes left
Ouais.
for half game.
Et comme vous avez pu voir, on a perdu notre 3e commentatrice de cet après-midi.
Il n'y avait plus assez de cake au chocolat pour elle, du coup on a décidé de tout garder pour nous.
Ouais. Le Gand a repris le ballon, ils avancent. Le drive, hop, ils approchent de 7 mètres.
Ouais. Le Buc est en bonne position défensive, ouais. Il n'est pas revenu.
Ah.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Je sais pas.
Ok. Ils sont obligés de monter.
Mm-hmm. Oh, dommage.
Well execution from Gent. Okay, touch made. Ouais, touch.
Ouais.
Oh.
Ils sont rapides au Buc et alors ils font des petits pour éviter le ballon et le touch. Franchement,
Petit step.
pas mal du tout.
Et ça repart.
Premier touché.
Non, ça joue vite avec
Second. Ah non. Ah, over the mark. Gets back to the third.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very well. Long pass. Yes.
Ah,
too
dommage.
bad.
Belle accélération de Gand. Malheureusement, ça ne se concrétise pas.
The wing was ready on Kent's side. Sabine from the Buc. Huh? I swear. Je suis sûr, elle dit
Ouais.
Wow. Touch made?
No.
No?
No,
I
apparently.
didn't say it.
No, not touch.
Okay,
All right. Try.
Half time. Ok, nous revoilà pour la deuxième mi-temps. So second half time of the game, and Gent is on the move. Now first touch made, a bit strong. Okay, and they're executing very well. Looking for a hole here. Already on the 7 after the touch number 2. Just tap number 3. Okay, now the long pass. Oh, yes, well done, Kent. I think it's touch made first. Yeah, too bad, but that's very well executed.
Yeah, it's really bad because it was a very beautiful try.
Oh, wow. No.
Touch made 6. Touch, so ball to Buc. They are quick.
And they're moving very fast. Touch number 2 is already halfway, yes. Third one. Already third. Attends, on va se mettre soit sur le côté. And they're switching. It's a try.
Ja, blijven chasen gewoon als 6.
Yeah, second half time of the game number 2, and you can already feel that it starts to be a bit difficult for all the players now. But they need to hold on. And now Kent, yes, moving on the 7. Yes. Oh, is it? I think it's touch made first, but too bad. Okay, back on the 7. 33. What they're looking? Touch first now. Oh, wow. Oh.
Yeah.
Well done.
Risky, but it almost paid off.
Okay, and Buc is trying to look for the sub now, and they're moving up. Okay, le Buc à la sub, ça va vite, ça remonte vite. Touch. Ouais, ça va très vite. Et ça remonte. Ils écartent un peu, on revient sur le milieu de terrain.
Glissade.
Ok, beau touch. Wow. Ok, scoop. Ok, il se positionne, ça part en une longue passe maintenant. Touch first. Touch made. Oh non, ça va. J'ai pas mes lunettes, il y a trop de soleil aujourd'hui.
Geeft ze, het is makkelijk gezegd, ik weet ook hoe dat is, hè. Maar je geeft ze de tijd om het te doen. En hij twijfelt eigenlijk, omdat je denkt van, ze gaan het doen, en eigenlijk moet je twijfelen.
Ici, touch made for Gent, yes? Oh, too bad. Did you see the score?
Yes, so it's 10-1.
Okay, we can feel that Buck is in a good shape today. Okay, Ghent is here for the defense, and no,
Yeah.
it's a missed. Okay, Ghent, they're moving up to the sub. They're executing very fast. Yes, well done. Touch made. Yeah, good execution. It's clean.
Robin, yeah,
Yes.
gives the ball.
Wow.
Well done.
Anna, it's
Again,
good pass.
five women on the pitch. Very
Again,
impressive
yeah.
from
Oh,
them.
wow. Well done. Oh, again, yes, touch made. Ah, too bad.
But they are far away from Buck sub, so they will have to cross
And
the whole pitch.
Look at the defense because they're moving up really fast actually when the Buck is attacking. Oh, too bad. Oh, yeah, they can take it. Yes.
Yes, touch is made.
Touch. Organizing themselves defense. Yes. Corner. Moving up. Yes, well done. And they're forcing them for a long pass, which is missed. Good job.
It's very comfortable
Wow.
on this Sunday afternoon because also the sun is shining, so it's nice October autumn day. Touch by Buck.
Yes, well done. Well, good pace from Ghent.
Three men on the pitch for once. Yes,
And
it's good.
yeah, long pass. Oh, yo!
Unfortunately.
Too bad. That was a good execution anyway. I think I said execution at least 50 times in this last 20 minutes.
Ja, nu blijven. Geef MJ dat gat.
Oh, they need to calm down a bit. Yes.
Was it a hard touch? I wasn't looking.
No, it was just not an
It was just
intended.
hard, not touch.
It was a touch, but you know, a violent one. Say, I'm here. I would be present, but not in a good way. You know. Touch made. Okay,
Back to the mark.
Yeah, they're.
Forward. Back to again. Ah non.
Ok, le Buck maintenant qui reprend la main avec 6 en plus. Voilà, tap ball, c'est reparti.
Premier.
Ça repart. Hop. On cherche un peu.
Deuxième.
Ça joue toujours entre les deux mid. Cherche une ouverture. 33. Attention, longue. Non,
Non.
trop longue. Ou pas assez, je sais pas. Ah, si tu cherchais encore du gâteau, il y en a encore, hein, Inès.
Il est où?
Dans mon sac, si tu veux.
Faut quand même, on joue contre Boisfort après.
Justement, il
Il
faut
faut qu'on gagne notre match. Il faut qu'on bouge.
Il va falloir qu'on s'échauffe un peu aussi. À chaque fois que je dis execution, tu fais 10 squats. Celui qui dit execution, l'autre fait 10 squats.
À gauche.
Ok. Waouh. Ok. Beau 2 contre 1 là pour le Buck. On va chercher le touch, ouais. Allez, bam. Ça repart. Ah ouf, un peu en avant. Ouais, et ça sub pour Ghent et ça accélère, voilà. Ah, dommage. Il n'y a personne, ouais. Oh, wow. Touch made. Ah, c'est pas évident, ouais. Hein. Bien. Well done from Ghent. It was nicely executed in the corner. Oh, yes. Essay, try. Well done, Ghent.
Merci
Yeah.
à l'aile du Buc. Sabine d'avoir été honnête. C'est important.
Ouais, on le dit pas encore assez souvent. Beau fair play des équipes.
Well done.
Ghent.
Et c'est par la numéro 1.
Ok, il y a 9 minutes left. Et le Buc qui redémarre.
Voilà, ils sont 7.
Hop, et voilà, Indra il est 9. Ouf,
Ouais,
dommage ça.
dommage.
Du bout des doigts et
Ouais.
ça pouvait y
Ballon
aller.
perdu. Ghent takes back the ball. Move forward. Second touch.
Okay.
Subbing.
Subbing. Yeah.
Third.
Oh wow, no touch. Yeah, nice. Ah. They still
Third
have.
touch.
Okay. 8 minutes left and they still have some energy left, which is good sign.
Very impressive sprint from one of the men of Ghent's team.
They have 2 men left and one just died. Number 4 just died.
It was also very risky from number 4 from Ghent because he was just very, very near the line, but didn't touch the line, outside line, so it was good. Well done.
Both teams are suffering now, but 7 minutes
Ball
left.
is back with Buc, subbing.
Bam, ouais.
Ouais. Voilà, il réécarte.
Le
Intérieur.
Buc, toujours là. Ouais, petite passe. Encore ça continue, ouais.
Hop, une, deux,
Ouais,
une,
touch,
deux.
Ça joue à 2. 33, ouais. Ok, ça redémarre et bam, ils accélèrent. Longue passe. Waouh, il
Pour
n'y a personne.
l'aile, et voilà.
Il n'y a personne, c'est parfait. Ils ont bien attiré l'aile. Et l'ailière du Buc était là, plus qu'à récolter. Très bien. Ah, et le Buc reswitch leurs ailières. Ça, 44 était à gauche, il revient à droite.
Sûrement une tactique.
On devrait s'en inspirer sur Liège. Ouais, bien. Well done from Ghent. And they're looking for a way to move on the 7:33. Let's go, come on.
Wow.
Oh, wow, yes. Well done, guys. I cannot translate that, but it means I think it's very well done in Dutch.
Yeah, so another try for
The number 19 from the wing.
yes. So I think now we are at 11-3.
Yes, something like this, or maybe 12-3, I don't know. (11-3) 11-3, 11-3. And there is what? 6 minutes left? 6 minutes left to play. Let me check. Yes, 6 minutes left to play. Okay, and another try from the Buc, which is now 12-3.
C'est Henri. Lui, on le connaît.
Ça va.
First touch, Ghent is
Come on.
full. Second touch,
You can still get some try. Yes, aye. Pace is there. The energy is still there. Back door? No. Okay, 33. Oh, too bad.
no, 6 more.
6 more?
I think so, because a big player touched the ball.
Okay, they have time.
It's more
They can build on something. Yes.
first.
33. Wow. Ah. And I was there. Number 13.
Come on, Anna, met die lange benen.
Okay, they have what? 4 or 5.
Oh,
Oh, too bad.
It's fine. It happens. First
Yeah.
touch for Buc.
Good touch made.
Going subway to sub. Yeah.
Yeah, good one. Okay. And now number 15, le numéro 15 sur le Buc tout seul, parce qu'il est 9. Ah, dommage. Ouh, et l'Elière 44. Dommage parce que
Bien défendu.
c'était bien
De
défendu. Buc était là. Et Gen qui reprend la main. Ok, les 9, attention. Ouais, dommage. Allez, ça repart pour le Buc, 6.
4 minutes more.
Ça va construire. Ça part sur le mid. Sur ligne, ça fait quoi? Une longue? Ouais, oh oui.
Well
Il n'y a
done.
personne.
Voilà.
Parfait. Ils ont déjà fait ce move là tantôt en plus. Hein. Ah, la passe est impressionnante, bien faite.
Essai du Buc. Donc changement.
Il doit
Nouvelles
rester
équipes
quoi?
qui montent sur le terrain pour les
3 minutes de jeu?
4 dernières minutes.
Ouais, 3 dernières minutes. Allez, super. Gent, yeah, allez, Gent, come on. Touch one,
First touch. Second
There.
is coming. Second is there.
2 men on the field. Hey,
Third.
come on. Yes, wow, nice pace, nice pace. Too
3
bad.
more. 3 more.
They have 3 more, they're on the line 7, that's really good. Okay, they have time. They're looking for a way, 32. Yes, he's there. Okay, nice. Ah, too bad.
It's a pity. It's alright. It's good. Buc is going to sub. Yeah.
Ah. Oh, no touch. Allez. Come on. Ah, je veux bien, ouais. Dans mon sac.
Good pressure,
Tu peux prendre la gourdette. Pas celle avec le capuchon vert. Get now. They're subbing. Yes, 2 minutes left to do. Come on, guys. Allez, come on. Allez, you need to move up. Allez, come on, come on, come on. Yes, good pace. Good pace, yes. No touch made, yes. Yeah. Wow, she found the hole. No touch made. And it's a try. Yes, it's a try. Yes, it's a try. Well done, guys. Really good executed. The Buc didn't see it coming, and yeah, she found just the hole, and she figured it out quite fast. I think there is 1 minute left to play. Et le Buc redémarre. Touch, c'est la touch and pass. Ah, difficile à dire. Ouais, accordé. Bien vu.
Last minute of the game.
Thank you, Nessou. Allez, last minute. Allez, on y est, hein. On a fait monter les 3 garçons sur terrain du côté de Gand. 3 men on the pitch from Ghent, and now they're accelerating. Yes, yes, well done. Is touch made first? Ah, too bad. Too bad. Aye, come on. 33. Okay, 33. Bam, bam. Yes. Oh, yes. Well done. Ghent scored like 3 times in the last 5 minutes. Well done, guys. Good game. And the final score, is it? Yes.
It's not yet final.
No, it's final.
14-5. So
5 to 14.
14 to 5.
Okay. Last action. Oh, touch. No touch. Too bad.
Wat?
Wow, il n'y a personne sur le 44. Et voilà, dernière action. Super. Encore 1 minute. Hein. Ils ont sifflé. Si, ils ont sifflé avec le petit klaxon.
Félicitations. Ça termine sur le score de 14 à 5. Pardon. Bravo
Une belle
à
remontée de Gand sur la fin aussi.
sur la deuxième mi-temps et bravo à tous les joueurs et les arbitres. Merci
Well
à
done
tous.
from both teams.
Bon après-midi.
See you guys.